Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be fabricating the parts for the half cage I'm building for this thing. So far, let me get the light here. I have got the bar almost in place and the sunroof is out because, well, I was removing it anyways and it was going to be in the way. So now, I'm over here. Got my bar set up that's going to be for where the harness is attached to. And my new tube notcher. Never used one of these before, so see how it goes. Hopefully I don't ruin this piece of tubing here. If I do, I should be able to use it for something else. But anyways, let's get to it. Alright, so got it all set up. Like I said before, never done this before, but hey, should be pretty easy. Let's put some lube on there and see if the old Ryobi can take care of it. I'm going to stand on it because it's not bolted anything, and I don't have much room in this area. Maybe I have to flip it now? I don't know. Like I said, never done it. That looks right though. Hey now. Not bad at all, actually. Damn. Obviously I got some cleanup of this and everything to do, but I mean, see what it's like when it was pretty freaking good, man. Hey, pretty happy with that, actually. Alright. Now I just got to do that a couple more times and then I'll be good to go. As you just saw, that's what the box looks like so far for where I'm going to be putting the main hoop bar coming down. This is the cardboard aided template that I made for the other side. Got it sketched out on my piece of flat stock here. I'm going to get it cut out. It obviously looks very rough, but it won't, well, hopefully it won't in the car. I'm going to go see what it fits up. It's very hard to see because of angles and whatnot and placements, but this goes here. This is going to go that's going to go kind of like that. So I need to do some fitment grinding on it, and I should be able to get that to work pretty good, actually. So I'll have to do that. Very hard to see. That looks pretty good. Got some space under there for the wiring to go. Plenty of room up top here to weld it to the car, welding it down here on the floor of the car as well. And then I'm probably gonna make some kind of plate for this side as well, because I mean, hey, close it in if I can. Basically just a funky triangle, but it is tacked together. If you didn't see that, just threw a couple little tacks in there to hold it together, but hey, it's looking pretty good. Fits right in there. Don't gotta do anything special to make it fit. Looks good, and it'll be plenty strong. So hell yeah. Now I just gotta keep on going and do one for the other side. Again, it's hard to see, but I got the box all in. A little bit of space here and there, but plenty of surface area for it to actually weld on all the way around everywhere, especially in the back. I gotta move this bar in just a tad. Might have to recut these, but this is the basic setup of it. Got the backstays down and the harness bar basically where I want it. I mean, it's right up against the seat, but hey, that's perfect. It'll work just fine like that. But coming along, I need to get more material. That's not long enough to make another backstay, and I don't have enough material to make any more spreader plates. So gotta wait on that, then I can continue on working. So another day will be in the video. Got my setup all set up here. I hopefully have this at the right degree that I need to cut this at. We're gonna find out from there, from here. Let's get to it. I need some kind of lube. I don't have any. Shit. What a doubt. Gear oil. Is this even open? Nope. Oh, it's always an adventure. Alright, I changed the angle slightly on it, so it looks like it's going to go through, at least for the most part. I'm going to use some of my patented cutting oil here. Inside the drill, isn't it? Pretty sure that it is. See if this will work. Oh yeah, that'll come out now. Okay. So, I don't know if, let's continue to see if I can get this all the way through. I doubt it, but, you know. Yep, that's where I'm going to put it. Right there. See what happens. Oh shit. That's not good. I think I might have cooked the drill. This is what I got going on. Decided to throw the tube notcher in the old drill press. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but... Oh, come on, phone. Get to where I need you to be. Alright, that'll work. But it's been cutting through it pretty good, so... Unless it does that for no reason at all. Might be bottoming out again. Let's find out. Oh, look. I have a plan. I want to try something before I just cut it with this cutoff wheel completely. This thing is so fluid. I don't think this cutoff wheel is doing its cutoffing anymore. Boop. Now, I don't think it'll bottom out anymore. I'm going to find out. Okay, basically what you didn't see is me finish up the spreader plates for there and then make some for the rear as well as notching out what I have to cut out for the backstays. Got to work on the fitment just a little bit more, but I mean, hey, it's coming out great. If you do say so myself, once I can start welding things in, once I get the gas, I'll be able to work on the fitment just a little bit better and get the bottom over there and over there, basically where I want them, but I gotta weld one side first and then I can manipulate it a little bit from there. But
But that'll be it for this video. In the next one, I'll finally be getting this welded up and probably painted as well as the floor being finished. So you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's freaking go, dude.